gĩkĩtie mateta mao kũrĩ thirikari nene makiuga atĩ makoretwo rĩu matereirio micara ya gwa kahinda ka mieri itano. Kurihwo ni matarĩria atĩ makoretwo makĩrĩra mathĩna maritũ kuona atĩ aingĩ ao arĩa makoragwo magĩikara kana makoragwo makiamukira mbeca cia igoto kana marihi ma igoto, na kuona atĩ rĩu mĩtũrĩre yao nĩ ĩkoretwo rĩu ĩhinyĩrĩkĩte na njĩra nene. Oho nĩ mongereire na kuga atĩ arutani anene rĩu a thukuru matingĩhota gũkorwo makĩgaya mbeca mathukuru-inĩ kuona atĩ thirikari nĩ ĩkoretwo ĩnyitĩtie mbeca na njĩra nene.
To petition the government in terms of the terms and conditions of the non-teaching staff in our schools, whereby we thank the government for dispersing the funds to schools as from last week. But it's like the government has abandoned the non-teaching staff in schools in the sense that the workers have not been paid. Like now, most schools here in Kisii have not been paid for the last 5 months, which is quite absurd, because these workers are also parents. They have not taken children to school. They cannot meet their financial obligations in their families. Now we are asking the government through our President, Dr. William Ruto, through the Ministry of Education and our able Cabinet Secretary, Brother Ezekiel Machogu, to look into the matter of the teaching staff in schools and regulate their terms and conditions in line with the provisions of the law, because Kenya, we believe that is a country of the rule of law, and we want, as a union, to request you that you remunerate these workers in line with the Civil Service Act. School principals are also crying that the money that they are receiving from the government is not enough. Like now, even the day public schools have a big challenge in that the free secondary secondary education funds that is coming is just but peanuts, in that they cannot even meet the statutory deductions. So it's a burden also to school board of managements and the principals. So unless the government of education sits down with us and we just see the best way of how we can pay these workers through the government directly.
Ororege ngakirwo rĩu na gĩtĩo kĩnene twambe twĩkĩrie ororege.